bright red train moves slowly through white snowy forests while snowflakes fall from the sky. The children laugh and watch animals outside the window. The bright green monkey jumps between snowy trees. Funny penguins slide on the ice. Colorful birds fly in the sky. And a big friendly snowy bell rides through the forest. The kids stop to play in the snow, build snowmen, and have a happy winter adventure together. The song should feel magical, adventurous, and full of friendship. Happy, magical, playful winter adventure. Family friendly. Bells, lily bells, marimba, light drums, sleigh bells, claps. Cheerful kids choir with a warm storyteller voice. Friendship